Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can transfer your Supercell ID Gmail to another Gmail. So it is a very easy process. I am showing you on an emulator, but you can use your mobile device as well because the process is the same. So first of all, you'll have to launch your Supercell game. I have Brawl Star here. So from the home page, you'll have to press on this three dot button and then press on Supercell ID at the very bottom. So after pressing on that, this window will come up. You'll have to press on the cog button and then you'll see this settings tab. So here you will see your player ID, Supercell ID. You can change your name, and then you'll see the email as Gmail or email, whatever you're using here as well. And beside it, you'll see this change email. So press on that. So all you have to do is you'll have to change it. A code will be sent to your current email to verify. So press OK, and the code will be sent. So copy and paste the code here, and then you'll have to write your new Gmail account, type it in, and then press OK, and then code will be sent to the new as well. Copy the code and paste it here as well, and then confirm. So that is how you can change or transfer your Gmail in Supercell. That was all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.